Are you tired of stress, anxiety, and constant noise in your life? What if I told you there's a 2,000-year-old philosophy that can give you uncheckable peace? This is Stoicism, and today, I'll share with you 6 Stoic secrets that will bring you inner peace. Secret 1. Accept, don't resist. Life doesn't always go as planned. But the Stoics teach us, resist reality and you suffer twice. Accept it and you grow stronger. Remember, peace begins with acceptance. 2. Silence is strength. In today's world, everyone wants to react. But the Stoics knew, silence is often the most powerful response. You don't need to answer every insult. Sometimes, your calm is your greatest weapon. 3. Stop comparing. Comparison steals your peace. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "A man is happy not because he has everything, but because he is content with what he has." The moment you stop competing with others, you win your inner freedom. 4. Value time. Money comes and goes, but time only goes. Seneca said, "It's not that life is short, but that we waste much of it." Every wasted hour is life slipping away. Protect your time, it's your most valuable treasure. 5. Desire less, live more. Freedom isn't found in having everything, but in needing less. The Stoics believed, the fewer desires you carry, the lighter your soul becomes. Simplicity is the doorway to peace. 6. Live in the present. The past is gone. The future hasn't arrived. The present moment is all you truly have. When you learn to fully live now, peace will never leave your side. These were 6 Stoic secrets for inner peace. Apply them to your life, and no storm will shake you. No pain will break you, because true peace has always been within you. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom. And remember, control your mind, and you can't.